Good day everyone, I'm Hurley of RFI Reviews here, back at it again with my review for the Fosi Audio MC331. Okay, before we proceed pala, aside sa disclaimers, I apologize for the setup kasi this is a fairly new setup to me. It isn't much, pero probably yung audio neto is hindi centralized or hindi, just like the previous video, so my apologies for that. I am still fixing or I am still finishing my setup dito sa video setup para mas maayos na yung audio. So, there's that. But before I proceed, I'd like to thank Fosi Audio for sending this unit to me in an exchange for a very honest and transparent review. Rest assured na all of my reviews are honest and transparent to the core, including this one, of course, para rin win-win sa ating lahat. Lalo na sa akin kasi I don't need to edit that much because I also write and take photos of this the products that I review. So there's that. I am a one-man team or a one-man band, call it if you may. Yan. Pero here is the Fosi Audio MC331 in the flesh or in the metal rather. I haven't I will not show the box here kasi yung box is same lang din sa SK02 and it is kind of big. So there's that, but I will flash a picture of this photo ko dun sa box for reference din. And at the same time, I will also flash the remote na nasa loob ng box na hindi ko na inilabas because I necessarily do not need it, but it is a nice to have. So, keep that in mind na may remote to, which is a nice touch and it is a nice treat for everyone. And ito yung mostly kasama. You get the cable, you get the power cable since this is desktop tube DAC amp. Ayan. Sorry for the gibberish words, pero yun. It's a desktop tube DAC amp. Okay? So, ano talaga siya? Wala siyang battery built-in or wala siyang, yun, hindi mo siya like ma-operate portably na ito lang itself. Kailangan mo talaga ng power supply for it. So, meron siyang cable like this, yung power cable, and meron din siyang ganito. They say this is a switching adapter, but I'd like to call it a transformer, I guess. Pero yan, meron siyang switching adapter for the tube DAC amp. Again, meron din siyang remote, but I'll flash the photo of the remote dito na lang once na na-edit ko na to, and here's the tube DAC amp itself. You can see, diba, in its flesh and in its glory. It is very chunky actually, made of metal, slightly mabigat, but hindi siya issue actually. Kahit nabuhatin ko siya, I can I can carry this one hand, no problem. Pero ayun nga, it is a nice touch that it has a premium feels to it. Alam mo, matibay, alam mong reliable, alam mong kahit mahulog, hindi siya gaano masisira or madadamay dyan. Which is a really good thing. Again, ayun nga, may remote siya, but again, hindi siya necessary for this, for you to operate this tube DAC amp. And I like that kasi I dislike products na inoperable pag walang remote. Yun, hindi need nito unless na lang kailangan mo ng music playback for the Bluetooth. Actually, this is Bluetooth for the Bluetooth mode, pero ayun, more into that later. Pero if you're just using this as an amp or as a DAC, you don't need that. You really don't need that. Okay, so here again is the tube DAC amp itself, and as you can see, it has rubber feet, which is nice. It has this volume. This is a multi-purpose knob. This is a volume knob. Yan, this is a volume knob like so. This is also a power button. You just hold this for like 3 seconds, 5 seconds, and this will turn on, and this will turn off as well if you hold it na naka-on ng 3 seconds to 5 seconds. Then, you do one press para magpalit-palit ng modes between it. Actually, let me set up this for you para mas makita mo ng maayos kung how this works. Okay? Mas okay din na ganun para, alam mo yun. Okay, let's see. Let's hold this. Yan, diba? Okay, plug this. Then, you hold this. See? Ay, naka-on na siya actually. I believe naka-on na to. Yeah. Yep. Or maybe hindi ko lang naayos ng saksak. I guess so. Yeah. See, ayusin natin. Ayun, yeah. It turns on. See? Kulay green dyan sa screen supply. Then, turn this. Yan. O, diba? See? It has the retro look to it and I like it. And yan, nagsa-cycle siya between modes para kayo paalam na this works well. Okay? So, again, you do have the buttons. So, ayan, may button ka for this for the mode and the volume button. So, one press, lilipat siya ng mode na gusto mo. Yan, you can use Bluetooth, you can use USB, diba? You can use optical. Yes, may optical cable siya. You can use coax if you want to. And you can use RCA mode if you want to. Okay? And ayun nga, meron siya dito 3.5 phone out or PO. And I would have preferred sana na may 4.4 to, but probably it is too much to ask. Pero sa akin sana, para sa price neto, do mind you na this is around $150 US. A 4.4 would be nice para hindi na ako mag-cycle ng cables kasi meron akong headphones and meron akong IEMs na naka 4.4. So it would be a nice treat if may 4.4 din to, 'di ba? Although in theory hindi dapat siya nagmamatter, but there's that. If by a stretch na gusto kong mag-nitpick, I would have preferred na meron tong XLR or 6.3 for, alam mo yan, for the studio monitoring setups and such, but it is a stretch. A 4.4 would be nice for this one. Ayun. And as you can see, the tubes are lighting up din, no? See, they include tubes. They include tubes, of course. This is a tube amp and DAC. And ayan, may tips sila na please allow 20 seconds for the warm-up before use. Kasi yung tubes, in practice, needs niya mag-warm up to sound the most or to sound optimally better. Okay? You can just use it right away. Pero ayun nga, may VU meter dito. If nagpe-play yung music mo, you can have this. Gagalaw to. Yes. And sa back naman, as you can see, yan, 'di ba? It has a lot of ports to it. So, ayun, pwede mo siyang gamitin as USB DAC app. You just plug your USB-C here and your, like, let's say, ang tawag doon, your phone probably, or DAP. And ayun nga, may optical out siya dito. Yan, pwede ka magsaksak ng optical cable. And ayun, yung coax, yes, and yung RCA cable. So, ayun, ano nga pala, by the way, wala siyang in-include sa box. Si Fosi Audio, walang in-include sa box na RCA cables or USB-C data cable. So, you have to provide it on your own. I already bought the RCA to 3.5 para pwede ko siyang gamitin as amp mode. Para pwede ko siyang gamitin as amp lang talaga. And I love it kasi I have sources like these, for example, the Tanshim Space and the likes, diba? And my Fosi Audio SK02 pa sa baba. So, technically, I can pair this with the Fosi Audio SK02 and gagawin ko siyang yung parang pinaka-DAC and this is just an amp. So, hindi rin pwede yun. Yeah, pwede yun. And ayun, again, pwede mo rin siyang ng speakers. So, if you have speakers, and you can use this as a pre-out as well. So, I haven't tested that since wala akong speakers and wala akong pang pre-out. So, there's that. Pero in theory, all of these will work fine. And ayun nga yung kagandahan dito sa Fosi Audio MC331 kasi hindi lang siya for wired. Pwede rin siya for wireless. As you can see, meron siyang antenna here. Yan. It is for Bluetooth. I paired this Sony Xperia X Compact with the Fosi Audio MC331 wirelessly, and they paired really well. Actually, they paired really well. Mabilis lang yung connection, walang fuzz or anything, wala akong errors na natanggap. Even yung sa wired, walang naging incompatibility issues or compatibility issues, wala akong experience on that regard. However, if like let's say gusto mo mag-Bluetooth and you prefer an LDAC connection, this ain't it. Kasi sa sa experience ko, even sa yung phones ko na like for example yung Infinix Note 12 G96 or even itong pinang-re-record ko na Samsung Galaxy S20 FE is hanggang SBC or no, mali, hanggang AAC lang sa tanda ko yung max niya pang decode na format. So there's that. If you want something LDAC, you may want to look for something else. Pero ayun nga, for convenience and such, for everyday listening or everyday use, yung SBC/AAC is more than enough, in my opinion at least. Okay, so how does this sound? Anong effect nito sa sound, Aurify? Well, yung effect ng Fosi Audio MC331 sa sound is just like any other tube DAC amps na naka-experience yun na. Or if hindi nyo pa na-experience, most tube DAC amps, ang effect nila sa sound is they make the sound smoother. They make the sound warm. They make the sound analogish. Mahirap siya explain in words unless na lang na-experience mo talaga. Na-experience mo talaga in person, but I am doing my best na to explain it like a 5-year-old. So, or a 10-year-old in that regard. Kasi mas alam nila yung warm. You get the point. Pero ayun nga, mas smooth yung tunog. So, parang alam mo yun, you get the vibes to it. Yung sa music, hindi siya tiring sa tenga. Alam mo yun, parang ine-envelope ka lang ng overall sound. You don't experience any fatigue or anything like that sa lalo na yung mga IEMs ko dito na may driver timbre. Like for example, yung mga may planar sets or yung may microplanar sets or may BA sets. When paired with the Fosi Audio MC331, the whole sound gets smoother and na-smoothened out din yung planar timbres or yung driver quirks to it, which is a good thing. Very good pairing siya doon sa mga ganon. And ayun, meron naman siyang warm, pero I wouldn't call it warm nga kasi parang slight tinge lang siya na hindi mo mahahalata unless na lang, like let's say ang pinair mo dito is yung Etymotic ER3 SE or yung Coterie Audio Zephyr. Doon mo lang ma-experience yung additional warmth na meron tong Fosi Audio MC331. Kasi most of the time, wala naman talaga siyang warmth. It is very neutral nga very neutral pa at best na may tinge ng warmth. Ayan na yung parang pinaka-specific ko to it. However, if you want something much warmer, based sa mga nabasa ko sa forums, you may want to change yung kasama na, yung kasama na vacuum tubes nitong Fosi Audio 331. By the way, itong antenna and the such, you install it on yourself. Hindi siya nakaganto pag dineliver sa'yo or pag pinili mo. Even itong protection ng tubes, this is a nice touch in my opinion. Aside sa kasi fragile lang tubes, na pag nasanggi mo baka mabasag or mabend yung pins. Mainit din kasi to, lalo na pag nag-warm up na totally yung buong tube system. So, it is a nice touch na nilagyan nila ng gantong protector to it. It is a very good move, Fosi Audio. Ayun. So, ito yung, ayun na yung overall sound or / overall effect ng Fosi Audio MC331. It makes the sound smoother, it makes the sound brighter, warmer, sorry. It makes the sound warmer, a bit slightly laid back, pero in a good way. Alam mo yun yung pang lang talaga, cozy na music listening sessions ng pangbabaran, ganon. It isn't for critical listening talaga at times. But that doesn't mean na may compromise sa technicalities yung Fosi Audio MC331. Wala siyang compromise at all, pero hindi siya yung parang pinaka-detailed or pinaka-clinical na tube DAC amp na I've heard. The R2R DAC comes into play na doon. Pero ayun, it's another story. And probably another review if may ma-review akong R2R DAC amp or R2R na may tube DAC amp, if that exists. Pero yun nga, on its own, the Fosi Audio M331 is a very reliable and very anong tawag doon, very well equipped in terms of features. Ayun nga, meron pa siya ditong tone knobs na, ayun, if you want something, what do you call this, to add bass or to lessen bass, to add treble or to lessen treble, meron din dito. You just have to tweak it to your liking. Personally, I don't do tweakings na mga ganun kasi I want the most stock to the bone kasi I review stuff. Pero for most people, enough na yung versatility / capability netong Fosi Audio MC331. In fact, for most people, probably this is an overkill. Lalo na kung IEMs lang naman yung setup mo. Kasi regular DAC amp would or a regular USB DAC would be more than enough. Oo. Pero ayun nga, if you want to take these things step further, ayan, Fosi Audio MC331 gave you an option aside dun sa SKU2. Iba pa yun, di ba? So, anong verdict ko dito sa Fosi Audio MC331? Well, si Fosi Audio M331 is a very good option. Actually, the currently known option that I could recommend if you're looking for a tube DAC amp na may Bluetooth under $150 US. Kasi, I have experienced tube DAC amps before, and yung mga nasa budget side isn't really that good or isn't really that well implemented for its price. It is either may incompatibility issue sa sinama na tube amps, or probably wala siyang gantong casing na bakal talaga, 'di ba? Oo, na you have to do it and solder it yourself, which is for some people, or probably for most people, it is a hassle. Like, gusto mo lang naman makinig ng music with your own gear, tapos papahirapan ka pa mag-assemble this and that. Pero ayun, different folks, different strokes perhaps. Pero again, the Fosi Audio is probably the most polished, the most refined recommendation that I could think of ngayon, based din sa experience ko. Like, okay, sige, you just want something na wireless, pero wireless yung source mo. Okay, you just plug a Bluetooth. You just want this as a DAC amp, or you just plug your USB-C cable and plug your source to it. Oh, 'di ba? Walang problem. Plug mo to sa computer mo, no problem. You just want this as a speaker amp or an amp, by all means, meron naman din. You just switch it to the modes na appropriate doon, 'di ba? Wala kang magiging problem in terms of compatibility and power dito sa Fosi Audio MC331. If you are looking, or specifically looking for a tube DAC amp, okay? But if you're looking for a DAC amp na sabihin natin mas capable, well, it really depends kung saan ka maghanap, pero there are a lot of options for that area. What I am talking about is a tube DAC amp. Specifically this tube. Pwede mong palitan din yan to your liking, yung tubes na gusto mo. You just have to research kung anong fit sa preference mo, kasi may, just like op amps or operational op amps, is meron din siyang sound characteristics per tubes. It is a whole rabbit hole. Oh, actually, there's a forum to it if you want to check sa internet. Madali lang naman siya mahanap. Okay? And that ends my review for the Fosi Audio MC331. Again, I'd like to thank Fosi Audio for sending this unit to me in an exchange for a very honest and transparent review. Rest assured na all of my reviews are honest and transparent to the core. Again, including this one. Actually, lahat. Literal. Para win-win sa ating lahat. And yes, hinabol ko lang din to. Kasi, anong tawag doon? It's Christmas. And probably, there will be a sale, actually. Or probably, naghahanap ka ng source na tube DAC amp. Aside sa malamig ang Pasko, of course. And this is warm. Jokes aside. Pero yun nga, if you're looking for something na decent source, na may retro look. I like the retro look of this one. Modern retro pa nga, if you may. The Fosi Audio MC331 is pasok sa banga for that. Okay? And see you on the next one.